Hey, what's up guys? Phil here, and this is a review for a universal pop-up sink drain. This sink drain plug comes packaged with a plastic cover cap to protect the polished stainless steel finish. The diameter of the upper metal plate is just under 2.5 inches, and the pop-up plunger is 7/8 of an inch in diameter. To open and close it, just press firmly in the center, and it'll pop up a 1/4 inch to let the water drain. The plug comes with 3 silicone rubber gaskets. The flat one should always be installed flat against the bottom of the cover plate, and can be used without the other gaskets in drain pipes 1.02 to 1.41 inches in diameter. Add the smaller gasket for drains 1.42 to 1.8 inches in diameter, and the larger one for wider pipes up to 1.96 inches. The plunger in this drain is removable for easy cleaning by placing it in the open position and twisting it counterclockwise. You can see that it has an all-metal construction of brass and stainless steel. The top of the spring plunger is removable too, and it also has a replaceable gasket. You'll notice that the catch basket under the plunger has fairly wide openings to allow water to flow freely, but it might not catch everything like small stones or earrings. The depth requirement for your drain should be at least 1.67 inches in order for the drain to sit flush with the inside surface of the sink bowl, and you'll need to make sure there isn't any built-in strainer or plunger post in the drain. While it may allow larger things to pass through, there's a limited amount of objects that can actually fit under the plunger cap. For example, most rings, since they won't be able to fit through the opening. Our bathroom sink has been missing its plug for a long time, and originally it had an older style lift mechanism that would raise the plug when you moved this lever. But we never really liked this style, and these tend to clog and break easily. The opening of our drain is 1 1/8 inch, which is a bit smaller than most contemporary standards. I needed a solution where we wouldn't have to remove or replace any of the pipes, so a drop-in solution would be the best option. Usually, I use a mesh strainer basket if I'm worried about things going down the drain, like jewelry or toothbrushes. But of course, you can't fill the sink with water using that. When we need to fill the sink, we've been using this rubber cover, but as you can see, it doesn't quite fit well. It leaks sometimes, and it's getting a bit old and discolored. For this drain size, I'm just going to use the flat gasket on the universal plug and see if that works. All I have to do is drop it in, making sure it's flat to the bottom of the sink, and turn on the water. So it looks like the plug is working as expected, as the water isn't draining. This should allow me to fill the sink with water for things like washing up, shaving, and even cleaning. To drain it, I'll just press on the center. And there you go, the water is draining. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the plunger drain opening is a bit smaller than the original drain, so the water does flow out a bit more slowly. I did find that usually there's a tiny bit of water left, maybe half a teaspoon or so, because the top of this drain plug is pretty flat. But as I mentioned, the opening is pretty small, so most rings probably won't be able to fall into the drain. If you do need to retrieve something from the catch basket or clear out debris, the plug just lifts out, so it's super simple to remove. Overall, the stopper works well, is durable, should work with a wide range of sink drain sizes, and there really isn't any effort to installing it. So if you're looking for a quick and simple solution to replacing a drain plug, this universal pop-up sink drain works pretty great. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.